Hello viewers, hope you are all well. Welcome to our another videos. On this video, we will show how you can create a profile backlink with a high authority site. So first of all, we'll open a new browser and click TPA checker. We'll open the first site which is provided by most. This is a most trusted site. So open this site and we put the link which site we want to create backlink. Okay. And click I am not a robot. Check the text. Okay, motorcycle one. Okay, verify. Done. Check DAPM. You can see that this site DAPM is 56 and PA is 52. This is good and the spam score is only 1%. So you can take this site for your profile, for your website backlink. This is a good site for getting backlink. Okay, we'll go to this site. And if you have done the first time when browse this site, you can see register, and if you have already had PAN account, you can click login. So we will the new user, so we will click the register. Okay, just wait. Okay, we'll verify it. Okay, so first of all you will put your username username, email, okay, password, okay, captcha. And click the create user button. Well, our account will be created and we'll setting it for drop our website link. Click setting, provide your private and public way. I have the both email as 7, or you can put another different mail, no problem. Homepage, put your site link, okay, real name, occupation, location, and this is the optional. If you want to add, you can add or you can skip it. Okay, I'll add this. I'll skip the main focus is my website link and my site name. Okay, this is enough. Okay, save. So our site name will create a backlink within 2 to 3 minutes. You can see this is our username and site. Hope you can create your backlink from this site, and this be a good site for your website, and it's help you to increase your DAPA and the sites. Okay, have a good day.